Hey, it's Sammy. On Friday, June 6th, we had a relocation over to Miami Beach today, or this week, so we took a few days off to enjoy ourselves. We jumped back in non-farm payroll today. Right after that, we took 7 trades for 244 points. Let's take a look and see how it all broke down. Look at that giant non-farm payroll, that great news there, that big giant purple bar over to the left. Ran right through everything. We did pull back, so we got a little reversion to the mean here. We're going to go ahead and take this trade long. We got plenty of data. Now, if you've been following me lately, you've noticed I've started aggressively trailing all my trades. So we can see we got a plus 40 stop loss. And as we hit this zone right here, we hit our plus 40 stop loss for take profit. Now we're pushing a new overnight high here, so we're trying to get in this trade. We've got plenty of data. You can see the market's kind of chopping. We did have red news. We still haven't opened. We're trailing this stop up. We're ultimately going to end up having a plus 10 stop loss that's going to get hit here in a few seconds, and that's okay. We'll look for the next opportunity. Now, price has been consolidated on this purple line right here. This is a GAN level, very powerful levels. We've formed a new overnight high just recently, but our data is all coming back into alignment. So we're going to go long again. We're working our way up to yesterday's high, that 100 Fibonacci level. Now, as we head up, we're going to trail that stop to a plus 30. And you can see it comes back against us, and we have a plus 30 on this trade. We are still trading pre-market here. You can see how incredible this data is really giving us these pops. Now we're coming through the yesterday's high, that Fibonacci, that 100 level. We're going to aim for that next purple line, which is another GAN take profit zone. Really powerful, awesome, free tools in TradingView even to use to manage our trades. You can see we're going to hit that take profit of 32 points using our powerful optimizer. All right, so this is our open trade now. A few minutes after the open, we can see the market came down, tested yesterday's high one more time on that great non-farm payroll news. Still really strong data, flipping back over to go long again. Now we're going to be really aggressive again, especially since we're trading at the open and had a really big run to the left there. We're really far away from like VWAP and things like that. We're going to lock in a trailing stop of 40 points. You can see this aqua band, that's our deviation band. Those are really statistically significant. We pulled back down into our algorithm. Now we're going long again. We've got all of this data, tons of sentiment, tons of volatility. We're going long again at the open here, basically still. Once we can break through this here, where I just type long break, we'll probably take a nice little fast move. We're already hitting that 138.2 Fibonacci extension, and we're going to lock in 50 points on this trade. So I already went to the gym. The market ran long for a few hours, and I'm coming in. Notice all of the data has flipped the other way. I actually have my take profit set right there at 40 points or 42 points. Right down here at yesterday's high and that pink line, which is VWAP. We've got really good short time frame data coming down, and we're going to go ahead and hit our take profit. We're done for the day.